Hi, it's Stef. I'm going to make a little video describing how I apply my Estradiol patches, because I hope that it will help some folks with doing that for themselves. Since I've been doing this for a while, I have a method that I think works pretty well for me, and I'm going to share it. And I apologize if the camera seems a little shaky. It's my phone. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to show you my thigh where I put my patches. See, right there. There's one already on there because that's this is the second take. We'll see how this goes. Um, I've already prepared my leg by peeling off my previous set of patches from the previous week and cleaning it off with some alcohol on a washcloth. It gets rid of all the oils and the leftover adhesive from the previous set. And I think that is actually an important part of this. And next, this is my patches Estradiol, 0.1 milligrams per day, which I switch out twice a week on alternating legs. So, I'm going to mention one thing about these, which is when I first started doing HRT, I used to be very anal about only taking one out at a time out of the box that they come in and carefully applying it and putting the pouch and all the little leftovers back in there and accumulating all that in the box and throwing the box away all at once. I don't do that anymore. No, when I get my new prescription, I just grab everything out of the boxes, stack them together, and then throw the boxes away. Because it's kind of silly to keep track of those things. And one thing I do though is to pay attention to the expiration date on the back, and I make sure that they're stacked in order of that, and use the ones that are going to expire soonest first. So I'm going to put the phone down and demonstrate a little bit of what my technique here. So let's open the pouch. Oh, come on, Junior. Peel that open. Damn, it would be one that's going to be tough to open. Okay, here we go. And that's what the patch looks like by itself. It's a little piece of sort of tape stuff with a couple of pieces of plastic on the back. Now, this is an important part of my application process. I mean, when I originally did this, I would peel off all that plastic and have the patch kind of just stuck to my finger and try to get it positioned and laid down and everything. And that didn't work out so well. So what I've just started doing is you notice that the plastic usually is in a large and a smaller piece. I peeled the smaller piece off while holding onto the large one. Then I take the small piece and reapply it on the adhesive about halfway or less from where it was originally, so that it's just barely holding on to the edge of the patch. I then peel off the larger side, like that. And then I take that, and I'm going to show you on my leg. Lay it down and kind of smooth it. Hope that's visible because I can't really see the screen. Yeah, so now I let that sit for a minute so that the adhesive kind of starts to set. And after that happens, then I go back and peel off the other piece of plastic, like so, and set that aside. And then I smooth that all down, and I take my cloth and smooth it out in every direction. Try to get the patch laid down evenly, and make sure that all of the adhesive is there. And that's basically it. And but I make a point of letting it sit and not getting that area wet for like at least an hour after I apply them, so I no showers or baths or going swimming. Um, and I find that this generally, means that the patch adheres pretty well. Every now and again, I'll get one that doesn't seem to want to stick for some reason or other. I'm not sure if it's me or the manufacturing process. And sometimes, part of it one will peel off because it got wet or something else happened. And basically, all I do then is just trim off the part that's not sticking and apply the rest back. Or you can put a Band-Aid over the part that's not sticking. I've done that too. And I have also found that sometimes when they get wet and they don't stick, if you like take them off and let them dry, you can actually restick them and they work just fine. So one or the above usually, makes the difference. So good luck. Steph signing off. Bye.